Hello, folks. My name is George Golden, and I am the AI prompt engineer that has been putting a few websites together to help you folks out there that are professionals, that are novice, that have never done anything with Chat GPT and trying to come up with, prompts when you're trying to use ChatGPT to try to figure out how to get text or have it to create emails for you and things of that nature. Well, guess what? I've created a couple of programs here with the help of a few other folks and making it so that way we can create, frequently asked questions. We can create emails, text messages, article generation, all kinds of tools that you can use with this, as well as email marketing and so on. So the reason why I'm bringing this up, and this is important, is because all of this that you see on this website is going to be available to you as a user for free. Okay, and part of these templates you see here, there's at least right now over 75 plus templates. And the templates I mean is when you click on one of these templates here, you'll actually be given some tools to be able just to put in a few words and it'll automatically come up with some text for you, and you don't even have to think about it. Just to put in a few words and it'll be done for you. And these are all plugins that are going to be part of the Chat GPT program, as well as DALL-E, DaVinci, and a few other ones out there. And you can see here, you can put Facebook headlines, Twitter tweets, article generator, startup name, all kinds of stuff. And the list just keeps going on because I'm going to be adding more templates as time goes on. And I just added some text messaging templates so that you can just go ahead and create some text automatically. And so as you go through here, here's some reviews from customers, also some companies that have partnered with Prompt Commander already. Now with this here, if you were just to come to this website by itself, if you were brought here alone, then you would have the availability to be able to trial, get into different prepaid plans that has different assets within these prepaid plans, or you can go into a monthly plan, and then at the same time you can go into a yearly plan. As you can see, it starts to increase, and of course the yearly plan has the most stuff that you're going to be able to use for, if you're in a business or if you're doing content creation for blogs or articles, whatever you're doing. The premium plan is going to be the best tool for you because you're going to have a lot of assets to work with. Now, the cool thing about this is this here, you'll have this for free for a lifetime if you subscribe to my other website, which is AI Prompt Commando. And you may have seen this on the web from time to time. By the way, there's a little cartoon character of myself. I look better there than I do live. And so on here, basically, this is a breakdown, such as in this video as you watch it. This particular plugin that I'm offering to you allows you to attach it to the plugin, which is a Chrome plugin. Once you activate that, and then it's going to allow you to get right into the Chat GPT protocol, and you're going to be able to have over 10,000 different type of prompts that you're going to be able to work with. That's already going to be pre-cooked prompts at your fingertips, and it's going to cover just pretty much anything that you need. So basically, if once you subscribe to this, which is going to be on a monthly basis, and it's very cheap. I put it down to a reasonable rate, where that just for $147 per month, you immediately unlock the mighty force of 10,000 plus ready-made AI prompts for your project. So you install the plugin, you choose the category of the prompts, you fill in the blanks, and you can do whatever you want to from there. If you're writing articles for blogs and you're getting paid for whatever, you can do it any kind of business. And then also, if you want to, you can download the PDF that tells you exactly what you're going to be doing or getting free of value. Because once you start this at $147 a month for this program, you will get a bonus worth $600 absolutely free. And so basically you'll just click the subscribe button here with PayPal. As soon as I get verification that you did that, then you're good to go. Now, once that starts, then you're going to be taken over to this website here, which is Prompt Commander. And like I said, all this, normally you pay for it, but if you go ahead and subscribe to this program here, then you're going to be brought over here. And then what's going to happen is you're just going to click on the sign up button, and then it's going to take you over to this sign up page. And so there's me again, and these are all my projects and programs. So you just put in your name, your email address, which has to be verified, so you're going to get a verification email, and you just fill in this information the way you want it. You click on here that you agree to the terms, and you click sign up, and then you're going to get a message right here. So you see verification. Now you're going to receive an email, and then you're going to go to your email, and you're just going to go ahead and verify that to make sure that you are the person that went ahead and signed up on this. So pretty much that's the way it's going to be set up, and I'll be right back, and I'll get you right into this program so you can see what's going to happen next. Thank you. All right, folks, welcome back. This is part 2 of the somewhat explainer video of how how AI Prompt Commander works in tandem with AI Prompt Commando. And I thought I just wanted to play on words so that way this kind of stands out outside of all the other programs that claim to work for you but actually don't, and you have to do more work just to get something done with regard to getting prompts done to help you with your writing skills. So that being said, now I went ahead and verified the email that I got when I initially subscribed to it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and click the login page, because it's going to automatically, when I click on the link in the email, it's going to have a link to bring me here. So it's going to have welcome back to AI Prompt Commander, and it's going to have your stuff in there, and then I'm just going to stay logged in for a little bit. And obviously if you forget your password, you can do that here. And then you want to go ahead and click login, and boom. So now you're free and clear to come in here and try out all the templates and everything else that I'm going to walk you through here briefly for AI Prompt Commander. So basically, as I mentioned before, all these templates you saw that were example templates on the home page of AI Prompt Commander. So now these are the actual working templates. So when you want to work with the template, you just click on templates here, and you can just pick out what you want to do. Let's just give an example here. Let's go to thank a customer for opting in for your project, product or what have you. So you just want to put in the address and the creativity. Basically, you can click on these little buttons here, and it tells you exactly what that means. Outside, if you were just doing this yourself on ChatGPT, you would have to try to figure out how to make this email with the right content for you come up for you. And if you don't know how to do the prompt carefully or as descriptive as possible, then you're just going to be wasting a bunch of time. And I'm sure that you've probably done that already, and you're probably, knocking your head against the wall trying to figure out how I need to get something that's a little bit more fine-tuned. And guess what? Now you have it. So here you can just select, the creativity, you want low, average, or high. So right now we'll go high because this is something that's going to be going out to my customer in a text message. And do I want to make it sound casual or professional? Let's go excited, because I want to thank them for opting in. And then here you can click the results, how many results that you want coming back from Prompt Commander. So we'll just say 3. And because this is a text message, usually the max is like 160. So we'll just say 500. I guess we'll just go from there. Now once you get that number in there, then you just go ahead and click on the generate text button, give it a few seconds, and boom, look at that. It's already popping up for you. Now, if you were using the regular Open AI, it would take you quite a while to figure out exactly what you need. And this is already, see, it already got you the number of results, and you already see, thank you for opting in. We're thrilled to have you on board. Just a quick reminder that your free resource is waiting for you at www.aipromptcommander.com. Get ready to unleash your creativity and take command with our amazing AI tools. Let's rock this together. I mean, how long do you think it would take for you to come up with that same lingo? And plus, you have the little emojis there as well. But my point is, you got 3 of them already. Boom, you can pick up which one. Now, obviously, as you go through these, you want to go through these in detail because you just want to read them. And then at that point in time, then you can, export it into a Word document. You can a PDF document, a text document. You can just copy the text and put it into your text messaging system or whatever like that. And then you can also save it. And you have all kinds of ways to be able to work with this. So you can see just by doing the SMS, look at this. How much time do you think you saved yourself just by using this tool? So let's go back to the templates here. So let's just say, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get an email done. Let me just go ahead and I want to reach out to a cold email because I want to try to see if I can reach out to this business owner or this other individual. So what's the product name? So we'll just say birdseed. Okay. So what's so special about the birdseed? The context that it will include in the email. We'll just say at this point, if you want to include that, you can. But we'll just say bird, parakeet, but another or any other bird. The bird. Then you describe the product. So you're going to do handmade bird seed from Brazil. Very special bird seed. So we just want to put on here, we want to make this high, and we're going to make this casual because we want to make it sound like we're their friend. And we'll just say on this one here for the cold email, we'll just go ahead and do like 2, and we'll just keep it at 500. Now, typically, you can see on here the maximum usually is 500 right now because you're in the trial period. Once you pass the trial period, then I can set it up where you can get higher results. But we'll do that. Now we'll just go ahead and generate the cold email. Let's see how long it takes. Boom. Look at that. It's already giving you the subject. It already gives you the context there. And I hope this email finds you and your feathered pals in great chirping spirits. And listen, come on, you be honest with yourself. Would you be able to come up with this much creativity without having some kind of degree of marketing or being able to put words together in a way that's going to make sense and make the point, but at the same time, it's going to do everything that you want it to do. So as you see here, it's already got everything set up here. Now sometimes, because depending on the length, say right here we have the max result of 500, so that's 500 words. So this came up to 500 words, so it's not going to do the second one. So maybe if we rack it up to like 750 or 1,000, then it would come up with another email, because make sure you understand that everything is based on the word count. But you can see here, it's already got the subject, it's already got, you can just copy and paste this the way I told you before, boom, 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 and you're all good to go. Think about how long it would take for you to get this cold email together, right? So let's do one more, all right? So let's do for social media, because I know a lot of you out there like to do all kinds of social media things. So let's just say like a Facebook ad, real quick. So let's just say product name. Let's say leather shoes. And then who's our target? So we're just going to say women. And then description. Obviously, it's going to give you a little key point here that I put in here to help you get a little bit more creative. Product description. We'll just say Brazilian leather shoes, handmade. You don't have to just put a little bit in there. You don't have to think about it too much. Let's see here. Right, just a little descriptor, and then average. Let's keep it on average, or if you want it low, we'll see what that looks like. And then with this here, let me just change that. And then casual, we'll make it into funny. All right. And then number of results. This is going to be what? Facebook ad. So let's put like 3. And let's click on 500 and see what happens. Generate text. And there you go. Add one. Boom. Ready. Step up your shoe game with our hilariously chic Brazilian leather shoes. And as you can see, it keeps on getting that post there for you, to keep going for itself. And you can see all these. Every single one of those are headlines that you can use for yourself. It's ridiculous how fast this comes up with this, with artificial intelligence. It starts thinking about all this stuff here. So boom, think about all the stuff you're going to be able to do with this, right? So that puts you right there for yourself. Okay, so now that's the regular templates, and like I said, you have tons of templates, all this stuff here. You got emails, you got social media, you got content, you have videos, websites, marketing, ads, frameworks. I mean, and if you can think of something that you need help with or you don't see on here as far as the subject, please email me, and I'll be more than happy to put a prompt together and get it up there as a template. But I pretty much, this is just based on my research with everybody that's been using OpenAI, just trying to, manually type in stuff, trying to get results there. All right, so quickly, let's go on to here. AI voiceover. I love this. So check this out. So on here, obviously you have different languages. You can just click on here and you have all kinds of different languages that you can use. Some may work, some may not. It just depends on what those languages are up on the server. But English, you can just choose your voice at this point. So I like Caroline. Let's try Caroline here to see what she sounds like. But you also have male and female, all in your voices there. So let's try Caroline. And then there's going to be a new audio. Then you can also create a workbook for yourself, and you can do say as, verbatim, characters, whichever, how you want to say it. You can emphasize it very strongly. You can do the speed it up, slow it down, the pitch. Man, there's all kinds of stuff you can do with this here. So let's see what Caroline has to say. So we're just going to put on here, hey, audience, I hope you're enjoying George's, G-O-R-G-E, right? George's presentation of this awesome software. And let's just make sure the spelling is good, because obviously it's going to dictate exactly what you type in. So we get it in there, then we click on listen. And now sometimes voices may or may not be available, and the way you can know that is because it didn't come up with anything. So that particular AI may or may not be available on the server. So we'll just go on to another one here. Let's put Amber. Let's see what Amber says about this. So let's click on listen again, and let's see if we get lucky. Not bad, huh? That's pretty great. So let's see, what about... let's see what Brandon sounds like if you want a dude to talk to you. See, so there's several things you can do with this by, the pitch, the speed, and all that kind of other stuff to pretty much make it sound the way you want it to sound, right? So, you always have that to your disposal, and then you just click on listen again. So just imagine all the presentations you have to record yourself. If you learn how to do this properly and pitch it the way you want it to, then you can see whatever you can do with this. And once you synthesize it, then it'll start coming down here, and you can save it, do whatever you want to with it. So it's all right there for you. Now the AI speech to text. Now this is if you have any kind of audio recordings, MP3, MP4, stuff like that. You upload it into the system here, and it's actually going to put it out and transcribe everything for you here. AI images. This is fantastic too. So AI images. Let's just say a new image. Let's just say unicorn. Okay. Why not? And then image description. Let's just say cowboy. And you can click artist if you want to leave it alone. That's fine with you. But if you want to see like a Pablo Picasso type look. You can change the style anyway, 3D models, whatever else like that, comic book style, image medium. You can do acrylic canvas. It's all here that you can do. Mood, you can do aggressive, angry. Let's go angry. I like to see an angry unicorn. And image diffusion samples, you can do whatever you want to with this, but we just keep it on auto. Clip guidance presets, you can go fast blue, whatever like that, but we'll just, for the purposes of this example, we'll just do this, and then you can change the ratio of the image, number of variations. Let's just do 3. Okay, let's see how many unicorns out there. Once you do that, then you'll generate the image and see how long it takes for this to look at that. Look how fast that was. Awesome. So let's click on the first one, right? And there you go. Now understand, this is Picasso. Check that out. It just automatically just put it up the way Picasso would have done. All right. And another version of a unicorn. Pretty cool, right? And then another copy. There's a portion there that it came up with. So there's if you don't like this, you have so many other variations that you can do with this, right? So let's just say none, just to keep it there. And let's see. Well, let's just go none here, just to see what it would come up with. Ooh, image here, not enough image balance. Okay. So now, because on the trial, you only can you only have like 5 images on here, and since we're asking for 3, let's see, 1. Okay, so you want to change it in there, generate the image, boom, 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 there you go. And there's, look at that, huh? Cartoon, looks like a cartoon, because you just let it, kind of like a wheel, you just let it do its own thing, and boom, you got it right there. Look up, it's cool. All right, then at the same time, let's go down to AI coding, Python, HTML. I'll say like how, or what is the code? HTML code to put a buy now button on my website. You can tell I don't type fast. I'm the secretary. But anyways, we just generate the code, and it's thinking about it. Give it a moment, and it's going to come up. Let's do this again here. I want to make sure that we have enough caricatures. Website. Generating the code. Please wait. And it could be because of the there we go. Okay, yeah, it just depends on. Could be the spelling here. I can see that sometimes it's a little bit big, but check this out. It already tells you what to do. It also gives you the code. You just copy and paste it, and boom, you're all done. So it even figures that out for you. And then AI chat, I love this. Okay, if you get bored, at night, you don't have anybody to talk to, or you're looking for some sound advice during the day, there's well over 42 different types of AI chat assistants that I've created, and I'm still going to be creating more. That pretty much goes into everything: financial analysis, personal trainer, life coach, English translator, job interview, investment manager, all kinds of stuff here that you can look at, okay? And a wrapper. All right, so I just click on wrapper here. Let's talk to White Rabbit. Hey, Mr. Rabbit. And you create a wrap about birdseed. Right. So send. That's what he comes up with. All right, there we go. Yeah, see that? That's pretty cool, huh? Birdseed on the ground, scatter it around. Symbol of freedom, let's break the bounds. In the concrete jungles, they can find flying through the skies. They're always intertwined. So check that. It's crazy, but it's awesome. So once you want to go there, hey, let's check out Samantha. Let's ask Samantha a question. Can you help me deal with my I want to say crazy because I don't want to offend anybody, but with my loopy partner. Enter. That's what Samantha said. Of course, I'm here to help. Can you please provide me with some details about your partner and the issues that you're currently facing? The more information you can provide, the better we'll be able to, offer practical advice. Look at this. So now you see everything right here. Okay. And also, if you want to just use Prompt Commander by itself, then you can just click on subscription plans, and I already have everything all set up here. Now you have prepaid plans that get set up, monthly plans that give you the details of exactly what you'll be getting for that, and then the yearly plans. Now let's talk about this yearly plan. This is the highest of the rate that I would be charging to use AI Prompt Commander. As you can see, it's well worth it. Okay, because you can just come to my AI Prompt Commander, and you can pretty much ask anything, and it's going to take care of everything that you would need as far as dealing with content, no matter what it is, whether you're a novice, brand new at this game of creating content, or professional. I don't care how professional you are, you're always going to need help. I use it all the time with my full-time work. This is I've been doing part-time, and I use this all the time with helping create emails and text messages and video scripts and all that kind of other stuff. So my point is, though, check this out. $600 is my yearly premium to use this whole system. But right now, this will be free. All this right here will be free for you if you come back over here to aipromptcommander.com, and you can check us, check out everything here, learn about everything, read the story, how I got everything started and created, my team and everything else like that. And then once you read through everything, then at that point in time, what I do, all right, so you can listen to that. But you read all this here, and this tells you pretty much everything that this Prompt Commander will do, because this is basically a plugin that you're going to use for ChatGPT for your Chrome plugin browser. And then when you go on to ChatGPT, instead of using it the normal basic way that everybody else uses it, and it's maddening trying to get the right results, with this plugin, it's well over 10,000 different type of prompts that you're going to be able to use, just like the prompts that you see here that I created for you. This is like 65 going on 72, but on here, because this is a standalone software application, but here, because this is a plugin that's going to go directly into the ChatGPT, you're going to have access to like 10,000 prompts that will literally come out with anything that you need. Okay. And for income generating, 2,000 AI prompts that you can make some serious cash with if you're an affiliate marketer or whatever you are. And you can help bust out testimonials. You can control the output, just like I showed you in here, controlling the output. You'll be able to do it in this plugin as well. So here's some, frequently asked questions, testimonials, and then basically what happens here is that once you, for this here, if you subscribe to the AI Prompt Commando prompt software, it's a mere $147 a month, and as soon as it gets processed through PayPal, it immediately unlocks 10,000 plus ready-made AI prompts for your projects. So obviously, the sooner you do that, the better, because this is going to be a limited time. I'm offering this bonus of $600 absolutely free. So this bonus is this whole package right here. Okay, that everything that you saw. So the subscription plan goes over to this yearly plan. Instead of paying $600 for all this, which is well worth it, you're going to get. I'm offering this for free for the lifetime of your subscription with AI Prompt Commando. Okay, so hopefully that answers your questions, things of that nature. You see how valuable this whole setup is between AI Prompt Commando and the free access to AI Prompt Commander with helping you with your work. This is just going to be an additional 65 prompts plus 72 more, plus more that I'm going to be putting on there. So there's no reason why you can't come out looking like a genius when you get all your writing done for yourself. Anyways, Hopefully, this all made sense to you. I appreciate your time looking through this, and I look forward to seeing your email so that you can start using this and take benefit of it. Thank you for your time.